welcome. I see you gave us your information. What is below me is a presentation. It's about 30 minutes, 30 or 40 minutes. It fully explains the opportunity. And once you come aboard with us, you have to give me a call so that we can get you started immediately. There is no opportunity like this in the market today. Take advantage of it. And just for being a part of us, we will give you free tips, free training. I will show you other stuff that just by you giving your information and other ways to make money as an appreciation to you. So sit down, relax, listen, and give me a call ASAP. Thanks. Bye. See you soon.